Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Presi Manangola.
Drinks? Parang kulang yun eh. Drinks
Yung mga kamay.
Sometimes I just want cause it's your least. Somebody say goodbye when it comes to this. Yeah. Will you tell me I was wrong? Will you help me understand? Are you looking down upon me? Are you proud of who I am? There's nothing I wouldn't do to have this one chance to look into the eyes and see you looking back. Oh, I'm sorry for lying in you for everything I just couldn't do. I've hurt myself. Oh, if I had just one more day, I would tell you how much that I miss you since you went away. Oh, it's dangerous, sort of I just couldn't do, and I cried myself. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Miss Presi. Alright. Next, meron po tayong special dance number mula sa Filipino Overseas Workers Singapore Dance Group. Ay, tatlo lang pala sila. Dance Group. Palakpakan po natin ang Faust Dancers.
Oh, thank you.